Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take off the quantities for reinforced concrete footings in just one click by using my program. In the previous video, we have finished doing all the PCC, plain concrete footings, reinforced concrete footings, and the neck columns here. And here, this is a drop in the soil. There is some problem here, and the excavation level will be minus 3 meters, and the rest is minus 2 meters. Okay. And I just took the axis and I took the reinforced concrete footings and put it here separately. I'm gonna split the screen. Then I'm hit here QSFOT. The Excel popped up. This is a takeoff sheet which we will use. Select objects. I'm gonna select all of these objects. Okay. This without names, without tags, without dimensions, without anything. We will add this later. I'm gonna hit enter. And as you see, all our footings have been put here in the takeoff table. Serial number and the type, axis, width, length, height, and the total. This is the total concrete quantity, bottom level and the top level. See here, if I select here, just to put it aside, this is 21. Let's cross check for 21. This is 21. I'm gonna put here the tags and the dimensions. I'm gonna type here tag, then select the objects here. I'm gonna type also the dimension to make the cross check. Then B, select all here, and as you see all the dimensions here. F5, number 21 is F5, 21 is F5 between X, D, 1 and D here, correct. And what is the dimension? 2.75 multiplied by 3.5 here. And for the depth, the thickness is 60 centimeters. Let's check in the table here. For F5, 2.75, 2.7 multiplied by 3.5, multiplied by 3.5, multiplied by 60. Okay. And this has been done automatically without any interference. Let's end this for the bottom level and the top level. Okay. Let's cross check here in this area, which is the excavation level is minus 3, and this excavation level is minus 2 meters. This all is minus 2 meters, and the bottom level for the reinforced concrete is minus 1.9 because there is 10 centimeters for the PCC. So let's check here for footing number 10, 11 and 12, 10, 11 and 12 here. And as you see, it's different because the bottom level here, bottom level for these footings is 2.9 minus 2.9 because the variation here in the excavation level is minus 3 meters, and we will add extra 10 centimeters for the plain concrete footing, then it will be minus 2.9. And for the next videos, I'm gonna show you how to take off the columns and also for the plain concrete footings. Thank you for watching.